Welcome to another amazing episode of Feelings Explained. Before we start, I just want to say that feelers, don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, whatever it is on all our social medias. That's there.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's there.
It's there.
It's there. I don't need to spell it because I suck at spelling. Gian.
Yes, and besides that, of course, our bell button, which is charing, hindi, wala siya dyan. Our bell button, wherever that is, please click that so that you will be notified for our next episodes. And our bank account is also in our description box.
Just to spice things up a little bit, what is my small win or shit of the week? I will start. So, I have a small win, and my small win is I forgot the name of this, I don't know, TikTok user. Basta I saw her video on an IG reel.
Uh-huh.
And this is her first time reading Harry Potter.
Wow.
Yeah, it's her
okay.
first time reading Harry Potter. She's reading it as an adult, as a 24-year-old woman.
Okay.
And ang saya, I nag-enjoy ako kasi the plots.
The
and
innocence.
Yeah, the innocence, the plot, and the twist. And she was full on crying when Cedric Diggory died.
Oh my God.
Tas parang
that
sabi-
was one.
No, that was 4.
Oh,
that
the
was
four.
Goblet of
Goblet of
Fire.
Oh my God. Yes, I
Yes,
remember.
Goblet of Fire.
Mhm.
Nasa tawag niya kay Harry is Cousin Harry.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, sabi niya, how dare you do it like that to Cousin Harry? she is so enjoying.
Invested.
I mean,
Uh-uh.
enjoying. She's so invested sa story. And
Okay.
ano siya, very enjoying siyang panoorin.
Gets.
Yun.
I see that. So, yon ang win mo. Okay. Ako naman, sige, para spice things up. What is my small win? Gawin. Okay, so, ako may win naman din ako, which is also something that I am enjoying to watch, which is, as you can see kanina, I discovered this parang music page on YouTube, Homano Studios. Tapos doon ko lang na-discover yung iba't iba pang DJ playlists na pinapanood ko ngayon na parang doing idle time ko or what. I will just play it as like a white noise
Like a
type of thing.
background music.
Yes, because it gives me the ambiance of like, I have my shit together. Ngayon, gusto ko na rin po maging DJ. Yun na po yung bago kong venture. Actually, I'm stopping this. This is my last episode.
This is an announcement.
Amen. And I will venture into DJ Hood.
DJ Hood.
DJ Easy.
DJ GV.
Exactly. I think I can make it through the rain. So, yun ang win ko.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
So our episode for today is actually about why money is not the problem.
And sometimes it's just us.
Yeah, right? Kasi most times we always pin the problem and sa pera na parang, bahala na kayo dyan. Dahil wala akong pera, ito yung meron ako. But it's not.
It's not really just that. Wow.
Yes, ang sabi ng pera, it's not me, it's you.
Ano ba na to? Kampanya pa na ng money versus me.
Money versus
Oh
me.
my God.
Okay.
Gets ko though.
Right?
Yeah.
So, Gian, ikaw, may instance ka ba na you feel like hindi na pera, na feeling mo, ikaw yung problema, hindi na yung pera?
Why is it funny now?
Kasi it's not me, it's you nga.
Oo. Feeling ko nag-stem siya from, parang nagsimula kasi siya in a very unhealthy way. Because coming from a not rich household, ano ba? Anong tawag doon?
On a normal household.
Oh, middle income household.
Oh, yeah.
Yun. Coming from a middle income household, parang hindi naman disposable yung income na
Right.
kahit sino sa pamilya namin. Walang ganon. So, feeling ko, from there, meron akong scarcity mindset before. Tapos, dahil sa scarcity mindset, parang yun na yung nakasanayan ko. Tapos, feeling ko nag-settle lang din ako dun sa kung hanggang saan yung alam ko. Without being very smart about it, na parang, I should have, parang sana, parang consensus muna ako about sa mga pay nung iba, para, kumbaga, feeling ko kasi ngayon, shit, nagtiis ako nung ganun lang.
Yeah.
Na parang pwede pala na better or mas malaki yung take home mo kasi if you knew, if you did your research, if you were more strategic about it, yun. So, feeling ko, parang nagsimula yung money relationship ko in a not so healthy way. Kasi nga parang laging feeling ko may kulang.
Right.
Up
right.
until now.
Mm-mm.
Ikaw ba?
Ako, ako na-realize ko na ako yung problema was, I was spending
love that.
I was spending my money na parang
Oh.
na parang alam mo yung mapaisip ko na sarap po tayo
Saan
pera
siya
ko.
napunta? Oo.
Yung ganun kasi parang hindi naman malaki yung sweldo ko, hindi ko naman masasabi malaki
Oo.
yung in-earn ko, but from my current job, I have the power to to have a really big income.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo yun?
Uh-huh.
So kahit anong iniisip ko, kahit anong pagtabi ko ng pera, bakit parang nauubos?
Oo.
Ganon, parang lahat na nauubos, pati pera ko, pasensya ko, lahat. Ganon.
Tama.
Ganon.
Kung mapipinpoint mo, saan nagsimula yung ganong habit mo? Or would you remember that?
Yes, hindi naman din kami kasi mayaman like growing up.
Mhm.
Middle class kami, we have a middle income household. We're a middle income household. May family business kami, and I remember yung bahay namin noon, hindi pa kung ano yung nakikita nyo dati, yung background ko, hindi pa ganoon. I don't have my own room. I had my own room when I was 20 plus years old, late 20s. Tapos, wala kaming cable. So, very limited lang talaga yung wants na pwede kong makuha.
Oo.
At yun ay, syempre, kung napagbigyan ka
Oo.
lang. As much as possible naman si parents, binibigay naman eh. But I feel like, nag-start din yung parang, kukunin ko to, kasi feeling ko na parang,
Mauubusan ka.
feeling ko mauubusan ako.
Yes.
So, I think, mas tama yung, mas direct approach yung pagsagot mo ng scarcity mindset.
Yep.
Although, hindi naman ako palaging nawawalan. It's just
Oo.
that,
Feeling mo lang.
feeling ko nawawalan.
Oo.
And sa bunso, wala kang nakukuhang bago.
Okay,
It was always
yes.
hand-me-down.
Oh,
So, I always wanted, ngayon, I
wanted
want
to
something new. Acquire, oo.
Gets
Which is
you.
not a good thing. Kasi
Oo.
ang gastos.
Oo. Would you know if may pattern din yung mga ates mo like that? Or if magkakaiba
No.
kayo? Iba? Hindi sila ganun?
Magkakaiba sila. Masali yung eldest sister ko, she's very thrifty.
Okay.
Yeah, she's very thrifty. So, kung ano pa yung kaya, edi yun lang
Yun
muna.
muna. Oo.
Yeah. Tsaka ganun din kasi yung dad ko, very thrifty. Hindi siya bibili ng sapatos
Yes.
hanggat sa hindi pa niya kailangan bumili ng sapatos.
Oo, hanggang hindi pa nag-gas-gas or wala nang sintas ganun.
Yeah.
Okay, gets.
Mm-mm.
So, maluho tayo din.
Maluho tayo.
Hindi, ikaw yun.
Ako, maluho ako.
Oh, kasi I wouldn't say that I mean, I could be, pero not full-time.
Not full-time. Ako naman din, hindi siya like full-time. Kasi ang gastos ko more on the experience eh.
Oo, which is a good
Oo.
investment,
At saka
to be
games.
honest.
Naalala mo yun
medyo
yung dati?
games. Oo,
Kunento
medyo
ko yun.
tanga ka dun.
Medyo tanga talaga ako dun sa games na yun.
Games tsaka apps. Yung app nga na.
Yung game na app, oo, doon. Nahulog na naman ako sa trap na yun ngayon.
Oh my God! Hindi mo pa
Hindi.
subscribe.
I'm still playing the game, pero hindi na ako nagbabayad ng mga shit kasi nagre-replenish naman siya after a few hours.
Oh, okay. I do not get
Huwag
that.
nyo nang alamin yung
Huwag
game.
nyo nang alamin kasi masama yan sa pagkatao.
Alam mo ko nakakatawa, pambata yung game.
Ngayon, like, are you making changes
Oh,
with
yeah.
your lifestyle or with your relationship with money?
Oh yeah, definitely. Like before, hindi ako nagsisave kahit may afford ko mag-save.
Yeah. Ah, okay.
Oo,
okay.
afford ko mag-save. Kasi the thing is that the thing that people don't understand is you have to afford to save.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
Totoo
Kasi
yun.
kahit sabihin mo na madali lang magtabi ng kahit 150,000, 50,000, 500
Oo.
sa from
Totoong
your sweldo.
buhay.
Pero kung ang dami mong binabayaran, ay ano na to ha?
Oo.
Personal belief ko to ha.
Oo.
Kung ang dami mong binabayaran at kahit nakapag-scrimp ka na ng mga luho mo,
Mhm.
alam mo 'yon, hindi siya ganun kadali. So you
Oo.
have to afford
Yep.
to
Exactly.
save.
Yeah.
So yun yung
or
mga
maybe, do you think we're just not really prioritizing saving? Kasi di ba parang sinasabi nila may rule na parang 50, 30, 20 yung gano'n. Yung 50% sa utilities mo sa monthly whatever, 30 for your wants. Parang ganun needs, wants, and then the other is for savings, 20.
Ako kasi what I do is, well, number one, yung utilities ko, imposibleng umabot ako ng 50%. Kasi wala akong binabayarang renta unang-una.
Oo.
Wala akong binabayarang kuryente, tubig. Wala. Ang majority ng bills ko ay credit card bills and my line, my phone.
Yeah,
Yun lang eh. So, yung saving ko, dapat, technically speaking, dapat kaya kong pa mag-shell
Kaya
out
mo
ng
talaga.
malaki. Oo.
Oo.
Ngayon
yes.
naman, I'm going back again to saving kasi nag-stop ako dahil ang dami kong pinuntahan. Ang dami kong gastos.
Nag-world tour po siya.
Nag-world tour po ako. Hindi niyo po ako nakita. Mga hayop. Actually, episode na to ay call out sa mga feelers. At sa mga, mga foreign germs na,
Correct.
'di ba?
Yes.
So, I stopped saving and then
Okay.
I'm starting to get back
Go get back to it.
yeah. Hindi lang kasing laki ng katulad ng ginagawa ko ngayon.
Oo.
Kasi ngayon, inuubos ko muna lahat ng kailangan kong bayaran eh.
Yeah.
Yes, parang
Alam mo
slowly
yun
but
nga,
surely.
Yun din yung problema ko ngayon. Kasi parang, gusto ko naging siya ng pera talaga. Pero, yun din yung issue ko right now na, it's so easy to say na, mag-save ka. Which is, ang tagal nga sa akin, di ba, sinasabi ko. Na ginagawa ko naman, at gagawin ko naman talaga kung capable ako of doing it. Pero parang nung ang mga nangyari sa episode 1 to 2, pakibalikan na lang po, it really broke me. It was the biggest heartbreak ever.
Oh, yeah.
It's the worst thing that can happen to you. Lalo na kung hindi ka naman din, hindi naman ako, again, nothing is disposable in here.
Yeah,
Wala siyang ganon. So, naiinis ako sa fact na parang, oh my God, I tried so hard to not be in this position, in the position where I'm currently at right now, na parang, oh my God, ito na naman ako si higpit ng sinturon. Di ba tama?
Yeah, tama.
Yan yung pagiging higpit sa sinturon, whatever, na I need to watch out again. I fucking hate that because that's exactly the situation where I tried not to be.
Oh,
that
yeah.
I tried so hard not to be in. And then, to find myself back at that again? I mean, recently, medyo parang, okay, fine. Gets ko na eh. Ito na yung reality ko eh. Sige. I mean, I'm so grateful kasi lagi kong every single time that I feel bad, I will always be here at home and realize na, I have all these amazing things or ito yung mga pinangarap ko at ginusto ko talaga na, oh my God, I'm so happy to have them.
And you've chosen these things to be...
With intention.
Yeah, with intention. At para makasama siya sa buhay mo.
Oo. Hindi siya luho eh. Parang, ito yung binubuo kong buhay, basically. Parang, ngayon feeling ko, detach ako sa relationship ko with money. Yung parang, it's a currency. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a mean to buy things. It's a mean to get something. Pero, parang ganito ako sa kanya. I have...
Gets.
Bitter ako. Parang, putang ina ka?
Yeah.
How dare you?
How dare you make me work?
How dare you make me suffer and then to lose you again?
Whoa! This is brought to you by money.
How dare you? Sorry. Girl, oh my God. Wow.
Ako, with regards to your obvious disdain.
Wow, ganda ng mga words ko na eh.
Yeah, I know, right? Your not apathy, disdain nga towards money. Ako, I feel like, andun ako sa point na, pag kunyari, I'm all for, I want an experience. So, kaya parang, naiinis na ako. Tapos parang, sige, bayaran na lang natin. Ang thinking ko na lang, ay, pera lang yan.
Diba? Tama.
Kaya kung kitain yan, ganun na lang yung thinking ko eh. Kasi parang, to stress myself, 'di ba? With all money related shit, 'di ba? Hindi na. I'm trying to protect my peace. So, if protecting my peace also means saving up,
yes,
or
for sure.
saying no to
Oo.
something, deleting a fucking game,
Delayed gratification.
delayed
sis.
gratification, 'di ba? Parang that's fine,
Yeah,
'di
yeah.
ba?
Oo.
Tsaka ako ngayon kasi dahil nga I have a fucked up view of money.
Mhm.
Alam mo yung yung sinasabi nila na now that you have adult money, you have access to adult money, you can do child shit. So parang like healing your inner child.
Okay. Oh, that's bullshit.
I feel like that's half bullshit.
Oo.
Half bullshit dahil nga yung ginagawa ko sa game.
Kasi sa sobra kang ka naman.
Oo, parang hindi na siya tama.
Oo, hindi
So,
healthy. Parang
yeah.
unnecessary na kasi siya para bigyan mo pa ng pansin, pero binibigyan mo ng pansin. Ganun.
Yeah. So ngayon ako ang technique ko na, so not to like to stop. Pag alam ko na sa sarili ko na nafo-frustrate na ako,
Mm-mm.
titigil ko na yung game.
Okay.
Kasi alam ko na ang
Ititigil
next
mo yung
step,
game, pero magbabayad mo
Hindi.
ng money. As in,
ititigil ko yung game. Oh, as in, I'll stop. And
Cold
then,
turkey.
tapos, babalik ako in a few hours para replenish na yung kailangan niya ma-replenish.
Kasi you, parang,
I buy to replenish.
okay.
Ganon. So, na-realize mo na nga na ikaw na yung problema. Na alam mo na yung steps na gagawin mo. Bakit na? Call-out ba to? So,
Oo, ako na yung problema. Parang nga tong therapy, tapos.
but was there a time that you felt that money served you and you didn't serve money?
Yeah. Yes. The first statement, yes. Yung, money
Served you.
Yes, oo. Well, kasi I worked hard for it. Parang siya kumbaga, hindi siya one-way street. I mean,
Yeah.
parang it's a collaboration between me and my money. But basically, if you think about it, I made things happen because I worked for it. Like, that money did not come out of nowhere. Like, everything that I ever owned now is either a gift or something that I really worked hard for.
Yeah.
Diba? Gift minsan half sponsorship, minsan
Yeah.
yung mga ganon,
Yeah.
diba? Mga alay, ganyan. Pero wala akong parang ihinaan sa akin na, ayan na, ganon, walang ganon. So, yung pag-serve ng money, parang paano ba? Hindi ko alam kung sinerve ako ng money kasi basically lang yung isip ko, kaya ako nakuha yung pera na yun kasi ako ang nagtrabaho para makuha yun.
Gets.
Like, I did some changes with how I viewed the world, and from that view, I changed my strategy, and then from that strategy, the money came.
Oh,
You know what?
palakpakan po,
Oh,
feelers.
palakpakan. Okay, I'm not saying that I'm an expert because obviously I'm not. Pero parang with jobs, diba? Like,
Right.
I didn't mean to job hop. Like, it's not my intention. It's not something na ginusto ko. Apparently, ganun pala yung, parang ganun siya tingnan ng ibang tao. Siguro
Yeah.
kasi it's not super long. Basically, it's not more than 2 years. So, it seems like, you're just job hopping. But that's not the case for me. That's not how I actually view it. Parang talagang isang strategy ko why I chose, kumbaga why I'm actively looking for jobs before. Kasi nga, alam ko na yung capacity nung ginagalawan ko, hindi nila ako bibigyan ng ganun eh.
Right.
Right. Kung pare-pareho lang yung mga kumpanya na pupuntahan ko at pare-pareho lang sila ng nature,
It would be like stagnant eh.
yeah, they will never pay me the way I can get paid in the most optimal level na parang ako, I cannot live like this anymore. And I remember this 2020 when I left the world of my previous world.
Yeah, the events world. When
The
you left,
events world, the
you left-
publishing, the
Yeah.
glitz and glitz and glam. It's not glitz and glam at all, but it's how it's being perceived to look like.
Yeah.
diba? Na parang, but that wasn't serving me at all. I mean, that job really did serve me. Pero parang hindi, yung nakikita ko doon, hindi talaga makatarungan for me. Like,
Yeah.
for my life and for the...
Oh my God, I remember yung
Diba?
rent mo doon sa
Bed space? Or-
not the bed space, the area, yung
The-
condo, yung condo
yung
na
recent-
pinagsistayan mo
Yeah.
prior to the pandemic.
Oh, yeah.
My God, that was
That was a lot.
a lot.
And that took up literally 50% of my pay.
Yeah.
Which is a lot. Hindi
Oo.
tama yun.
Yeah.
That's the wrong move talaga. But, ayun.
I remember then, nung mga panahon na doon ka pa nakatira, tas doon pa yung job mo,
Oo.
you would always come out pag nandun ako sa area. You would always come out. I-text kita, kasama ko yung teammate ko.
Okay.
After office namin, after na namin after we did our shit, you would come out, you would hang with us. Tapos, pag may gusto ka, sabi mo, no, wala akong budget for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember those.
Oh my God. Sobrang fucked up na parang, oh my God. I mean, I guess it's my fault too na parang, bakit ko nga naman, ba't ko naman kinuha yun? Pero alam mo yung mga desperate moments na parang, I cannot live the way that I lived before. So, kailangan baguhin ko. Pero, nung pupunta ako doon, parang, ay, fuck, ganyan. Kaya
Parang
sobrang
napasubo ka. Oo.
Oh my God, that was such a, I don't know, it's an uneducated move.
You shed blood, sweat, and tears.
Oo,
For this
totoo.
You have to understand na the money is a tool.
Yep.
So you can't blame money. Kasi parang ano lang yun eh. It's how you manage it. It's how you hold it. It's like a credit card. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Na parang, hindi naman kasalanan ng kumpanya ng credit card kung ang ginawa mo lang buong araw ay mag-casino. O mag-swipe, di ba? O pumunta ka ng Resorts World, di ba? Hindi naman niya kasalanan yun eh.
Yeah.
Kasalanan mo. Kasi gusto mong magkaskas.
Gusto mo yun.
Diba? Kasi, gusto mo,
halo-halo.
gusto mo ikaskas yung card mo, right? Diba?
Yes.
Hindi naman niya kasalanan yun eh. Hindi rin kasalanan ng magulang mo
Mhm.
kung yung lifestyle mo before at ngayon ay magkaiba. Na kung hindi man nila maibigay dati, hindi man nila kasalanan yun, they were trying their best.
Yep.
So,
And that was hard to make peace with.
yeah.
Parang feeling mo kasi kasalanan nila.
Yeah, diba?
Or, diba? I mean, minsan
Especially as a kid.
Yeah.
Parang, ako I remember, I remember asking for my mom and my dad for a red car kasi ayokong nakikita ako sa L300 na it's a beat up L300 papasok ako ng school. Ayoko pag may prom kami.
Yeah.
Bago dumating sa hotel, bababa kami dun sa L300, magkasakay kami ng taxi. Kasi ayoko makita ako nakasakay. Kahit mga kapatid ko, ayun lang makita na nakasakay dun kasi nahihiya kami.
Pero syempre, as a kid, parang, hindi mo na marirealize
Yeah.
yung impact nun. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Wala kang alam about it.
What you cared about when you're a kid is that what your friends think about you.
Yep.
And if you have friends.
Yep. And how you would look like
Yeah.
when sa paningin nila. Because I think I've publicized my money shit so well before sa mga nangyari. Ikaw, anong mga money shit mo?
So far naman ako, never pa naman ako nasa scam.
Oo.
Nagpapasalamat naman. Although may time na muntik na akong ma-scam kasi akala ko nanalo ako ng iPhone 14 o 13. Tapos sa Lazada. Sakto naglalazada ako noon. Tapos biglang, bakit hinihingi yung credit card?
Oh, no.
Tapos sabi ko, oh my God. Sabi ko pa rin una, baka naman dahil sa shipping, pero baka naman pwede cash on delivery. Sinanap ko yung option ng cash on delivery.
Nanalo ka nga. Ba't ka magka-cash on delivery?
Pag-deliver ng ng
shipping fee.
Oo. Tapos, biglang, sabi ng ate ko, tanga ka, scam yan. Tapos sabi ko, oh my God, oo nga. Yun.
Okay.
So, buti may kasama naman din ako noon. Naging vigilant sila for me. Yes. At least then, wala akong nalagay pang any credit card information when that time came. So, siguro ang ang money sheet ko, of course, aside sa handling, nakakawala ako ng pera. Normal yun. Pero, yung nawawala akong pera, I remember, sis, yung nawawala akong pera, siguro magkakasunod yun.
Okay.
Nawalan ako
So,
ng 2,000
Okay.
Nawalan ako ng 2,000 pesos. Nawalan ako ng
Sa isang araw?
magkakasunod na araw.
Ibang araw. Oh my God.
2,000 pesos, nawalan ako ng 500, nawalan ako ng 800. And I remember feeling, oh shit. And then the following day, tangina naman. And then the next day, fuck! You know what? I don't want to stress it. Siguro mga nasa total ng 5,000 yun. For all those days. It was...
Nasa school ka? Or...
Nagkatrabaho na ako nun, sis.
Oh my God. Okay.
So hindi ko alam kung nalaglag ba siya, kung naibigay ko ba, kung hinipnotize ba ako.
No.
Diba? Hindi kasi yung mga ganun, diba? Like yun yung models nila yung
It's an example of Naghahanap na sisi.
Hindi, feeling ko naman it's carelessness.
Okay.
Pero, hindi ko kasi din alam, minsan iniisip ko, legit na
Oo.
na-hypnotize ba ako? Kasi di ba may mga ganun, na ano na pera
Diba
na.
nga? Oo nga.
Yung,
Where's my iPhone now, bitch? I was hypnotized.
may mga instances ako na ganun ako ka-careless sa money. And may time din ako na parang, as in, I was so unfeeling of money
Okay.
na pag nawalan ako ng pera, okay.
Wow, rich kid.
Exactly, hindi naman ako mayaman. Hindi nga ako mayaman eh. Kaya naloloka ako na parang, yung other side ko na parang, te,
Sino ka?
hindi ka kota, di ba? Di ba, binubuhay mo yung sarili mo sa sweldo para hindi ka naman hingi sa magulang mo.
Oh my God.
Di ba? Ganon. Na parang ang sa akin, hindi siya dapat kawalan siya.
Oo.
Regardless kung 2 piso man lang
Oo.
yan. O,
Exactly.
diba? I
Oo.
mean, tsaka
Grabe.
doon ko naaalala yung mga, pag kunyari namulan ako ng pera, taka na sana parang hindi ko na iniwan yung 2 pesos ko na Gian. Yung mga ganun level.
Oo.
Yung mga ganun level.
Totoo yan.
Papasok siya dun eh. So parang, I've been so careless with money and it's not my fault and hindi ko siya pwedeng isisa sa kahit sino.
Oo.
But I've been so unfeeling and I've been so pathetic. Yung idea
Confident
na,
ka lang sa idea na babalik siya.
oo. At saka yung idea din na makikita ko ulit yan pag nawala. Yung ganon.
Okay.
Yung parang, tinagulo ng multo to eh. Yung ganon.
Oo, hindi ko hahanapin kasi pag hindi ko hinanap,
Lalabas
magpapakita
siya.
yan.
Tapos hindi na
Oo.
talaga siya lalabas. Ganon. At saka,
Wala ka bang wallet?
may wallet nga ako.
Oo.
Ang problema, nakakalimutan ko na may
Na
wallet
ilagay
ako.
doon.
Oo. And another one siguro is another like money shit ay yung pagpapautang.
Oh, yeah. Fuck that.
Kilala niyo kung sino kayo.
Pakibayaran.
Pakibayaran,
Ilang
ilang taon na, no?
Mas matanda pa sa feelings explain, no?
Mas matanda pa sa feelings explained. So, yung isa, it was, and this is honestly my fault because this is out of the goodness of my heart. The first person who ever asked, ang malala doon, it was not even my money. It was my mom's. So, grabe yung level ng hiya ko. Oo, kasi every time nagtatanungin na ako ng ate ko, ng mama ko, ng papa ko, nakakahiya kasi parang anong sasabihin ko?
Oo.
Kasi I vouched for that person and I trusted that person to give it back. At saka, alam mo yun, ako yung naging parang sponsor niya na para sabihin, Mac,
Naging donor.
this person is really in need, in a
Oo.
desperate need of money dahil nawala yung pera sa taxi na iwan niya.
Naiwan niya.
Ay, hindi pa rin pera, naiwan niya yung resibo sa taxi, so hindi niya maliquidate. Tapos babayaran na lang niya. Ay, ang laki nung kailangan niyang i-liquidate. It was thousands.
Oh, no.
Yung pangalawa naman din, for family din.
Another person.
Another person, for family naman din. So, in fairness naman, nakapagbayad naman siya ng mga 2 installment hanggang sa hindi niya talaga ako binalikan.
Oh, hindi pa tapos.
Hindi pa tapos. Tapos
Oh,
parang
no.
ang liit-liit lang nun, 4,000.
Oo.
Diba? I mean, sige, sabihin natin yung 4,000 ay malaki sa mga
Wait,
ibang tao,
yung
pero
yung pangalawang tao, 4,000.
4,000.
Yung unang tao, mas malaki pa sa 4.
hindi, I think so, yeah.
Oh, mga ganon. Oh.
Siguro, basta less than 10.
Okay.
Less than 10.
But still.
Oo. So, itong isa, parang 4,000 na nga lang. Pumayag na ako sa installment na 4 gigs. O kaya, tingko 500 per cut-off. Wala pa rin wala pa rin nangyari. Parang ang nabayaran lang ata niya is 1,500.
Okay.
Kaya ako ngayon, pag magpapahiram na ako ng pera, ang
Papahiram ka pa din.
Hindi, nagpapahiram ako ng pera, pero
Guys,
no higher than 1,000.
Yung mga barya-barya.
Ay, yung parang kunyari, kaya akong magpautang sa'yo ng 1,000 hanggang 1,000 lang.
Oo.
Ganon, di ba? Kasi,
Yung mga kaya mong mawala.
yung mga kaya kong kalimutan,
Oo.
yung parang, okay lang kahit hindi ko singilin yan, parang ititreat ko na lang siya as tulong sa'yo.
Oo.
Di ba?
Totoo.
Yun na lang. Be human enough
Oo.
to return the money.
Oo, very responsible enough kasi.
Yeah.
Diba? Madaming ganun eh. I mean, thank God, hindi na lang din ako masyadong ka-experience ng ganun sa ibang tao.
Right.
I mean, like, well, I really have nothing to give you guys. I'm
Oo.
sorry.
Baka nga ikaw pa yung
Ako pa yung
nila.
namulubi, di ba? Hindi lang halata, pero ganun. Ah, my gosh, yeah. But there are some people who would ask me, I mean, especially the time when, you know, the scam happened, na akala nga nila, parang ewan ko kung saan napasok sa utak nila na madami akong pera, And that person was constantly asking for help. And that person is not even a person who would
Need.
need it. Like, I don't think, it's not like, I think it's for something else.
So,
Which is,
so parang, kunyari ako, nanghingi ako, sabihin ko, Jen, kailangan ko lang pambayad ng games ko. Ganon.
ganon. Pero syempre, hindi ka
Hindi
sasabihin
ako
na
sabihin na games.
Oh, but I have an inkling about it na parang, I don't think it's kasi it's so regular. And, ewan ko, I don't know if I should say this, but, yeah, may mga ganon.
It's something unnecessary. Yung paggagastos niya.
Or feeling ko, syempre, baka hindi ko lang talaga in full picture. That's the thing eh. I don't know things to judge the person or what. Pero may ganon, na parang hindi ko lang masabi na, syempre, hindi naman kami close masyado, so hindi ko naman para sabihin, actually, na-scam kasi ako, so wala akong pagbigay sa'yo, ganyan. I-relieve ko pa yung trauma ko.
Exactly,
So,
exactly.
Sige, sa inyo, tapos sa inyo lahat na paytra ko. On hand cash, petty cash yan. Paki-liquidate na lang, gano'n. Sige.
Crazy. Money is crazy.
The people who is running the money is crazy.
Yeah, people who scam.
Yeah.
My God.
Those
Fuck you
fuckers.
guys.
I don't know if I'm ever gonna heal my money shit.
You feel like?
Oh, parang
Yeah.
naiinis na ako sa kanya. Naiinis na kasi ako. Parang, why do we need it? Like, why is it making people fucking do bad things?
Yeah. Alam mo naisip ko, bakit ba kasi nauso yung pera? Bakit
Sino
hindi na
gumawa?
lang, dahil sa industrialization. So,
Okay.
kung hindi in-industrialize, kung hindi gumawa yung mga tao ng mga machines, ng mga ganyan buildings,
Na mga kailangan bayaran.
pwede pa tayo mag-barter ngayon.
Ay, ganun.
Oo. So, isipin mo, kunyari, mag-barter ka para sa plane ticket. I will offer you a dance.
Oh my God! Oh my God. Gets. Okay.
My God, no?
At saka, here's the thing. Nobody really teaches you about money.
Yeah!
In school or what. There's no financial literacy courses.
Totoo. Ang ituturo lang naman sa'yo, plus, minus, times, division.
Oo. Pero wala ka naman iba plus. Wala ka din iba. Oh my God.
Puro minus ka ng mga gagawa mo kasi kahit ito lang pera ko, tapos nagbabayad pa ako ng bills.
Diba?
Just ko.
Yeah.
Whoever,
Pero, I don't know.
But whoever said being an adult is like super fun, should be put to jail.
Grabe. Galit
I mean, it's fun. Pero hindi naman
is,
niya,
yeah.
it's fun. Pero, ito yung isang malaking, kung gusto mo na mag-enjoy,
Inumit niya
niya yung
katotohanan.
it's fun, pero binilong niya lang yung, ba't may bills na babayaran? hindi niya sinabi yung buong sentence
truth.
eh. Oo.
Gets. Yeah. But that comes with being a human, with this life,
Yeah.
diba? So, Pat, with that, where do we go from here?
I think money is really not the problem. But yun pa rin yun. Nasabi na sa'yo ng pera, it's not me, it's you. Hindi ko kasalanan kung magastos ka. Hindi ko kasalanan kung irresponsable ka. So, I think some people need a very, very harsh wake-up call when it comes to dealing with money. Kasi, masalo yung mga taong deserve,
Oo.
Kasi, kasalanan nyo yan eh.
Oo.
Kung ano-ano yung kagagawa nyo, pinagagawa nyo eh. But, yeah, I think we should also learn how money can serve us. Let the money work for us and not, and someday ma-strive natin yung dream na yun. Para hindi natin pinaghihirapan yung pera. Kasi sa ganda kong to, dapat naghihirap ako. Parang hindi deserve. Sorry.
Undeserving of pain and suffering.
Direk Loren, kunin nyo na po kami as an artista. So, Gian, ikaw ba? Where do you go from here?
Alam mo, sa pagod ko na lang sa pera, ayoko na siyang problema. Like you parang, I'm here to protect my peace. I'm gonna deal with what I have. Parang,
Amen.
yun. And hopefully, really work towards parang being stable. Parang, anong tagal-tagal ko nang yun yung panangarap, di ba? Yeah, mahirap mag-save, pero I think it's your determination for a goal, di ba?
Yeah.
Your money goals.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga siya madaling gawin, lalo na pag nasanay ka na hindi mo ka nagtatabi, or yung ganon. And I hope na lahat tayo magkaroon ng better relationship with it. Kasi parang lagi na lang, ayoko na yung feeling ko, nangangapa ako with
Na
it.
nauubusan ka palagi.
Oo.
Oh, yes.
I hate that feeling. And I know I'm not alone, pero it's so prominent these days na parang feeling
Yeah.
mo lahat nagsistruggle and shit. Tigil-tigil na yung mga bilyonary na yun. Bigyan mo na sa amin yung iba dyan, di ba? Pero ganun. Yun. So, ayun. I don't know, but yeah. I just hope that yung money issues na meron tayo ngayon sa decade na to, matapos na siya this decade, and it's better as we move along.
Right.
Yep, that's pretty much it.
So this has been Pat.
And this has been Gian.
Thank you for watching this episode. Bye!